What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. Right now I'm out doing the estimate and it's kind of bringing back a lot of nostalgia. I'm at a commercial property. Y'all see it in the background. I'm gonna give y'all some detail about it. It's kind of a big deal. It's big deal on a lot of different levels, but because I know y'all know I don't do a lot of commercial properties, but I'm about to take on this task and we're gonna see how this summer goes. Yes sir. Alright people, so people that don't know the background on me, I've had only like one commercial property ever in my business career, and that didn't go well. It went horrible. But the reason I'm taking on this business right here, one of my customers that I started actually coincidentally cutting his grass around the time that I quit my full-time job and went full-time with lawn care. I started cutting his grass, and he had his own business. I'm not gonna go into details about what his business is. I don't want to put his business out there, but he had his own business. I told him I was going full-time with my business, and he's always supported me. He's always referred me to different jobs and houses. I cut his house, I cut his brother's house, I cut multiple people he's referred me to. And so he told me that he was buying this property, and I was still kind of like, I don't know. But I looked up the address, and what do you know? The address is coincidentally my childhood gym. When I was in 9th grade, I made the basketball team at my high school, right? I made the basketball team, and I was skinny. I was probably 6 foot, 160 pounds. The coach, I rode the bench the whole freshman year. Coach told me I need to bulk up. I need to get some weight. See, that's what he told my dad. My dad found the gym, and I went from 160 in the summer to the next year I was 180. Gained 20 pounds of muscle. Mind you, I'm a little skinny kid, so it was all muscle. So this is the gym. And it's crazy because, all right, so back there, that's my middle school. That's the practice football field over there. That's the regular high school football field. And over there, back over there, that's the high school I went to. Full circle, 25 years later, man. So we're about to walk around. I'm about to show y'all this property, and I'm excited to get it right. All right, so here's the property, people, and a little background on me. As you can see, it's a lot of weeds, and I love that because I'm gonna get this thing right. A little background on me and why I don't do commercial properties is I don't want to deal with the hassle of having to bid on properties and getting undercut the next year. So that's why I really don't like commercial properties. But the reason I'm taking this on is because this particular customer is a longtime customer of mine. Cut his home property, and so I feel like we have a little relationship. We have a little bond. So yeah, so I feel a little more comfortable taking this on. So I'm gonna tell you the first things I see already, right? So first of all, I know he's gonna want to get some good grass growing. I got good grass growing in his house, so he's gonna want good grass growing here. I see right here they have all those little strips. They have stump grinded, some some stumps, so it's gonna be hard to grow grass here. That's gonna have to be smoothed out. He mentioned mulch, so I'm assuming right here at this doorway, everything behind the sidewalk, I'm gonna kill it, and we're gonna hit it with some mulch. Okay, make it look clean, put an edge on it, maybe even a little border eventually. I don't even know why I'm taking this on. I started the season with a full pallet, and now I'm taking this on. As you can see, this little property over here, they got their grass looking decent, so we gotta get their grass over here. I love competition. I love when properties have the grass next to it looking good. It gives me motivation to get the grass and my property looking good. Back there, hopefully he doesn't want any mulch back there. He's probably gonna fix that fence and stuff right there. Like I said, I don't want to show his trucks and whatnot. He got a couple trucks here. Keep that privacy. Like I said, there goes some gym equipment right here. Got the scale, everything. I probably weighed in on the scale 25 years ago. This will probably be annoying as far as mowing. I'm probably gonna have to haul that away. And it's gonna be annoying as far as mowing because it got the small gate. So I'm basically gonna have to, I can zero turn the whole rest of the thing, and then I'm gonna have to get my walk behind out just to cut this area. Stupid. Almost tripped up there. So yeah, is what it is. I think, like I said, back there I probably won't really cut that. Have to cut this. It's not that big. It's not that big of a property. That's why I love it. I'm loving this. I'm loving this right now. I think this little strip right here is going to belong to him. So that's nothing. Back to zero turn up here. Cut that, and they got something going up next to it. So he probably got a little deal on this property and whatnot. So yeah, as you can see, it's getting dark. I'm gonna finish looking at this property so I can send him a quote, and we'll get to it. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes sir.